contents of this box is so exciting. I think this knife has food on it. Oh, it's real! It's real! Okay. And my accessories. Thing. Okay. I got a GoPro. How do I open it? Optional accessories. I bought all of those. Like this? Like, oh! Oh. Ooh. I think there's tape on that side too. What? I did. Quick start guide. Stickers. A fairly large instruction manual. Plastic. I have a GoPro. Okay, what else is in here? What else? What other goodies do we have? A charger, stick mount things, and oh, the back to the, oh yeah, okay, so this is like the waterproof and this is the open. Okay, okay. So is it already charged? I'm gonna break this. How do you turn it on? How do I, like, get into it? That is in Spanish. That is in English. Quick start guide. Oh, yeah. Step 1, unlatch and open back door. That looks fairly simple. Is there like a trick to this? Opening GoPro latch.
Straight like this, and then open it up, but over a time.
Oh! I was opening it wrong. See, they really need like directions on how to do that. Okay. So that and open that. Okay. 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 I think I need scissors. Ooh, I could just tear it. Okay. Okay. This is the power button. Oh, am I filming? Oh, hello! Okay, my first video with my GoPro. I hope that this is going alright. Let me go do something exciting. I got the GoPro Hero, which is just like the basic GoPro. It's $130. And then I also got the SanDisk Ultra Micro SDHC UHS 1 card with an adapter. The Eek kit. One kit, one idea. It has all of the accessories. So I'll show you what's in this. Little mounty things. 2-piece Surface J-hook for GoPro. Little buoy grip. Oh wow, I'm really dizzy from spinning around. A little case thing. I think this is the chest belt. And another mount thing. And whatever this is. Don't know what that is. This is the head mount. And a selfie stick, pretty much. And then another little mounty thing. So I got all of that. Just one of these little like stick things is like $20, and this whole package of all these accessories was $20. So I figured, why not just get all of them? So yeah. If you guys want me to, I might do a review video. Leave a comment down below if you want to see that. And yeah, okay, exciting times. See ya.